Weeks ago, I had been with the production of Disney's Beauty and the Beast for about 6 years, working in their hair department. Right now I'm back in New York, but I wanted to come back and finish up this benefit. A friend of mine of many years has come out to replace me, and doing quite a good job, I hear. So, just when you thought you weren't expendable. Not only is he a talented hairdresser and an amazing friend of mine who I've known for years, but he has a voice and a heart of gold. So to welcome him to the company and family of Beauty and the Beast, it gives me a great pleasure, and also to present him in his Beauty and the Beast Broadway Cares benefit debut tonight, Mr. Stephen Carter-Hicks.
At the bottom of my garden, it's not so very, very far away. It's past the garden shed, and you just keep straight ahead. Oh, I do so hope they've really come to stay. There's a little wood with moss in it, and beetles, and a little stream that quietly runs through. You wouldn't think they'd dare to come merry-making there. Well, they do. Yes, they do. Ferries at the bottom of my garden, they often have a dance on summer nights. The butterflies and bees make a lovely little breeze, and the rabbits stand about and hold the lights. Did you know that they could sit upon a moonbeam and snatch a little star